welcome back to our 6th episode of Loyal to the Mic. As you already know, I'm your host, Angela Red, Mr. Loyalty. Niyabona nando fit. Namhlanje niyazi ukuthi angikwazi ukuhamba ngedwa. So I got one of the niggas, also from 032. He goes by the name of QC Inkunzi.
Abashwe. Abanja nikala.
Bathini.
Correct.
Angayisabi COVID vaccine ikhona.
Sisakhe. Otherwise ukrend mina.
Ngifresh nikala. Fresh. Mfethu mina sengiyakwazi. Kahle. So ungawazi ukuthi mfethu wazisa abantu ukuthi ubani uQC, usuka phi uQC, wenzani ngomusic, ukuphi, yabo?
Yeah nikala mayi. First of all sanibona enibukelayo to all ama fans ngiyabonga for uhlezi ningisupporta. uQC mpano wasemjondolo kaStaram. Yeah utho ngathi mfethu umusic ngiqale 2008. Yeah ngaqala umusic 2008. So yonke into nje ihlangene nokuthi nje umusic lonke ithuba angeliyeki bra wami ngalendlela ukuthi ngaze ngafika na kwi one mic ku SABC 1 mic nakhona ngabona ithuba zakhala ngangena ngadla amakati ke ngagcina ngiphume ngendlela engayibonanga kodwa ke asivaleleyo kodwa yambe 2Q yena lo wasotho ngathi 032 into engibhizi ngayo njengamanje iproject project engirecordayo okwamanje ungabe uyitika ngecover khona icover engishayile kuthi igawula ubheka
hayi sengizwile mina
hayi
sengizwile
asazi
kodwa ke ngoba sesizwe yona asizwe wena ukuthi uphetheni namhlanje
ubala ndika singene kuyona
can the DJ give us the beat
yo shout out to Staram song at 032 Loyalty asingene kubona lalela. Hey yo, first of all, let me send a shout out to my exes. I made it to the industry, I'm back to F you. They said my music wasn't worth it, now I'm going places. I'm Seko Wiliki, I'm Pumalanga Black Aces. They said I'm whack until they gave me a pen. Now killing on 4 lines, but it wasn't part of the plan. Mchita busy throwing shot at me again and again. Mchita ngatu sukwa siwe, that your chick is my fan. Hey, Music Motion is the team I fucking play for. You strike, I get flow, and get punching, so you and get metaphor. Once I grab the microphone, zong as if you back though I'm sick though. Money and respect is what I seek for. Matuzi mali zobi flow, ang tingi riverbank. Inkatelo mtuano ipeg and get dollar like me to protect. She's all over me. Uzamuk zenzi body pack. I'm selling bars to haters. Msazo ifagi price tag. I'm still killing. But sing will I am still spitting. We still winning. Music Motion with being dreaming. You still kidding. Bambu Mwanya we still breathing. Aseko underground from Chita you still digging. Satropi buga lazy but they still didn't see us. But blessing I'm a paz I'm Nandi now they call me Jesus. These record labels never been loyal. They tryna kill us. They claim to give us real deals like some fucking pizzas. Back to Zulu. Mrapanyana kwalita fangdula kwena nugu inki na manje ngbalango khapha ngilezi dobe intathu mayiqhamuka kuphuka ikantsha skuva ngifuni bangibone ngicela ungiboneke ibhala club Music Motion Entertainment ikhaya lomculo iminyaka ivulekile thatha iBhayibheli uvula isampula beningidisa ngama subliminals angenze emehluko uhamba ngenyawo egamini nimtholeleni icathulo when they kill rappers the aim is to ignore their presence and I promise to fuck the industry with my first appearance I think abangizonge eqaleni let me make some clearance we're going in Music Motion on that fucking entrance and lately I think I got more chicks than this kukukazi shout out to the ladies abasifuni ngoba sihamba phansi izinto isazojika nathi sazoyiphatha imali 6 feet underground manje siphakamisa ikhathi bathi ngiphashila I'm like boom boom bang bathi ngithuleleni ngabatshela I didn't have a pen lately I wanna get money and roll up with the rich gang I want more case than the Klux Klan man I'm so fly to me the sky has never been a limit including Ketelil yet QC go and kill it if you pick the trap panties just in case you wanna dig it I'm never ever gonna stop I want more digits after this track I hope you never mess with Music Motion cause I'll be all over you like some fucking body lotion I told you again I guess they didn't get the caution senza umculo hambayo #Music Motion it's uptown Leligati really made us ezinye sikhule nazo namhlanje zizidlela jealous we young and gifted so we gotta get these papers QC and K-Fab we the fucking cheapest strippers thank you love Staram I represent song at 032 KZN sisonke bafethu bathi inkunzi yes nigga Una ngiqhubeka hayi Anganikhumbuza ukuthi uQC usukaphi. Ngikhumbuza. Ayo, kangena kavula ngaphala ngajula ngaduma baduma basuka baqhuba ngangena baqhuba bayasha ngaphula ngadlula ngabuka nesiza nephunga nenyuka nakhula lashinga naduma lamthatha labuya wakhula wasinda wavuka wazula wajula lentwana ngizoyikhimpila aqala ngaphala ngadlala ngegama basala bekhala bashana samasha safika baxesha sakhila ngenamba bajike basaba saminya sotoka sabuka bezaba bajike baphasha sukela kudala kade sayiqala sikhila ngenamba shiya khalo excuse Talent sakho. Yes, guys, sakhona mfethu sakho.
Hey. Anginamazi bafethu.
Yashisa lesi style.
Ayishisa. Yashisa selefoni. Hayi bafethu anginamazi. Kodwa.
Ayibonga mina nekarami, ibonga mina nekarami.
Hayi. Bethu Alexander ukhuluma
khuluma nami nawe
Bethu ngicela ukuthi ungitshele bethu abantu bathola kanjani bethu
uQC bethu uyamthola ku Facebook i-page lami uQC032 i-personal account uQC Inkunzi ku Instagram uQC_Inkunzi ku Twitter uQC_Navigator efonini
yazi bethu cishe ngakho
yes Nick
ngiyengabona kwi-one mic
yeah mfethu yakwa 2019 or 2020 angisazi yeah mfethu ngikhona yeah ndode kunzima lapha kunzima kodwa ke mfethu ngokuthi into siyayiphila sangena impela from last 32 ngaze ngaphuma kwi last 8 yeah mangikhumbula kahle kodwa nakhona angazi ngaphuma kanjani ngoba ngikhumbula ngiphuma kodwa ke asiyeke correct nikaram correct
eyo bafethu yona uQC Inkunzi all the way from 032 Songathi once again and I'm your host ngicabanga ukuthi sivele sivale ayikho into engisazoyenza mfethu so bafethu ngempela ayikho into engisazoyenza yasempela
azesivale mfethu sivale
kuphela wona amazwi mfethu kuphele wona amazwi mfethu It was a QC once again,
yes.
And I'm your host, Andile Reds. Thank you for watching. Subscribe on the Ghetto Fabulous Films. Nani niyazi yona ngimumva ngekamera akwazi ukuvela ngaphandle.
Hayi kodwa na asifa. Correct ayikagama ngiyabona.
Hayi.